Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a highly requested topic, how to use Notion for planning homeschooling curriculum, the 2025 full guide. First up, create your Notion account if you haven't done so already. It's a simple process. You can sign up with your Google or Apple account or with an email. Why Notion, you may ask? Well, it's one of the most versatile productivity apps available today, making curriculum planning a breeze. Now that we've done that, start by creating a new page in Notion titled Homeschooling Curriculum 2025. This will be your main hub for all your homeschooling plans, assignments, and resources. This helps us because it centralizes everything in one place, making organization so much simpler. Next up, let's create a table inside this page. Here's where we'll list all the subjects for the year, along with their relevant textbooks, resources, and assignments. The table format is perfect because it provides a clear visual overview of your entire curriculum, making it easier to manage. Now let's add properties to our table. These can include subject, textbooks, assignments, due dates, and so on. Properties in Notion are like column headers. They help to categorize and sort information, making it easier to track and manage. Let me explain why this matters. With the right properties, you can easily filter and sort your subjects, helping you stay on top of your homeschooling schedule. Finally, create a template for each subject. Each subject's page will be a mini hub of its own, containing lesson plans, assignments, resources, and notes. This will help keep each subject organized and structured. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you click on any subject in the table, you'll be taken to its specific page, giving you a deeper, more focused view of each subject matter. Now that we've set up our Notion workspace, the magic of planning your homeschooling curriculum begins. The reason we do this is to create a dynamic, highly customizable platform for our homeschooling needs. And that's it. Quick, easy, and efficient, Notion will revolutionize the way you plan and execute your homeschooling curriculum. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, happy planning and stay productive.